everyone, welcome to Super Duper Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Punjabi style mango pickle. It is made with Indian spices and mustard oil. But here I will be using gingerly oil, and this pickle will go best with parathas, and you can also serve it along with curd rice. So now let's get into the recipe. To make this pickle, I have taken 4 raw mangoes, wash it well and wipe it with a clean cloth to get rid of the water, and chop them into big pieces. We are not going to use the seed in this pickle. So as shown in the video, chop them into big pieces. So I didn't measure these mango pieces, but it will be around 4 cups. Transfer it into a bowl. So this mango pieces has moisture in it, and we will be adding turmeric powder and salt. For around 4 cups of mango pieces, I will be adding 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 to 5 tablespoon of salt, and you can also add it according to your choice, but this was the pakka for me. The remaining salt I will be adding while making the achar masala or pickle masala. Toss it well. The moisture in the mango pieces will help them to coat it with turmeric powder and salt. Now we will be sun drying this mango pieces to get rid of the moisture. So to this, take a cloth and spread it on the plate and transfer the mango pieces and keep it under the sun for a day. Meanwhile, we'll be making the masala for the pickle. These are the kalonji we'll be using while making pickle masala. Take half a cup of fennel seeds or somph, 1.5 tablespoon of fenugreek or methi seeds, 3 tablespoon of yellow mustard. These are easily available in many grocery stores. And 3 tablespoon of salt, because already I have added around 4 to 5 tablespoon of salt in the mangoes. So 3 tablespoon will do good. And 3/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji or onion seeds, half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Grind everything them to a coarse powder. Now the mangoes are also ready. They do not have moisture in it. Transfer these mango pieces into a bowl. Add the ground pickle masala. Toss it well. Since it is devoid of moisture, the pickle masala will not get stick to the mango pieces. So you have to mix it well with the spatula. And while adding the oil, it will get coated with the mango pieces. Add around 3/4 cup of mustard oil or gingerly oil. Here I am using gingerly oil. Remaining oil we will be adding while storing the pickle. So after adding 3/4 cup of oil, mix it well with the spatula. The pickle masala will get coated with the mango pieces. And then add red chili powder for the spiciness. Here I am adding 4 tablespoons of red chili powder. This is not a very spicy pickle. Give it a quick mix and allow it to stay for 4 to 5 days. So cover it with a clean cloth and allow it to sit for a week or around 4 to 5 days, and every day give it a mix once. The color of the mangoes will change, and you can see it on the video. The pickle is ready. Now take a clean sterilized glass bottle and transfer this pickle into the bottle. Now add the remaining oil. So add the quantity of oil depends on, it should be above the pickle. So do try this recipe at home and give me your feedback. See you all in another recipe. Until then, it's bye from Niranjana.